Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullu's in the kitchen. Today now I am making one of the craziest recipe, breadsticks. It's very crispy too. You can keep it in stock for 6 months. Nice recipe. Breadsticks with the help of the semolina ravva. Let's check the recipe how I am making. All-purpose flour 100 grams, semolina ravva 100 grams, oil 20 grams, sugar 10 grams, salt 7 grams, dry yeast 7 grams, water 120 grams and as required. This is the recipe for breadsticks, semolina ravva. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Take the vessel, add the flour, semolina ravva, salt, oil, and sugar. Next add the dry yeast. Don't add in the salt, add separately, and add water. Make a dough. Dough mixing is ready and rest for minimum 20 to 30 minutes. Because of yeast, it proofs nicely. And keep a wet cloth. Take it from the fridge and again knead it. And make a French fry sticks with the help of hands. Take the board and clean it nicely. Then place it. Take the dough and cut into half. Take a small round balls. Once press it like this and make a French sticks. Set like this. Finally make like this. Take the tray, grease the oil and put into the tray. Set it like this. Give the distance. It's looking like a French fries. When it bakes, it will come into the brown color, light. Grease the oil on top. Rest it for 20 to 30 minutes and bake it. It will raise the dough because for yeast. So rest it for minimum 30 minutes. It raises the double. Then keep it in the oven. Make sure preheat the oven before using 200 degrees Celsius and check it for after 12 minutes. It's baked now. Well, now I am removing. Wow! It came into the brown color, golden brown color. It's very crispy too. I am getting in a ravva to the mouth. It's a very crispy. And nice recipes to follow this. Thanks for watching.